I'm a Morriston primary student and I'm an ambitious, capable learner.
I'm Alison Thomas, I'm head teacher in Morriston Primary School. It's a very diverse and inclusive school. We've got just over 40% with free school meals, just over 30% with ALN, and we've got just over 25% EAL children and a large traveller community attending the school. Our vision for the school is for the children to be the best they can be, and to ensure that happens, we intend to offer a broad, balanced and inclusive curriculum. We feel that the enterprise curriculum contributes to this a great deal, and in our journey towards Curriculum for Wales, we've incorporated enterprise activities into the timetable across the year.
We engage in at least 3 different enterprise activities throughout the year linked to the Christmas Fete, the Summer Fete and a Fair Trade Fortnight event.
We all do votes on what enterprise project we're going to do, how we're going to do it, how we're going to keep it eco-friendly. It's just working together as a community.
We done wax melts and we created them and we sold them to all the parents that came in, and all the others made different things as well. Like I did see like smoothies they made, I saw different rock creations they made, I saw loads of different things, and I just find enterprising really enjoyable and inspiring.
We introduced the 4 characters to the children. So Rhian was ethical and informed, Callum was enterprising and creative, Owain was healthy and confident, and as we said, Amy was ambitious and capable. So now these are linked to the 4 purposes across the school. So when the children engage in their learning and reflect on how they've been learning during the day, they decide on which character they've been most like.
Through this project, learners engage purposefully with software packages to conduct market research. They also design branding for the products. Children find this really purposeful as they know that their work will actually be on a real-life product. The enterprise projects that we have embedded within our curriculum in Morriston has allowed teachers to engage in action research projects where they do their own action research within their classes, looking at research linked to entrepreneurial activities, and this has really given them ownership of their own action research and leading their own professional learning.
I enjoyed creating the product and doing the design of the label. It's an amazing experience learning things like this.
It's really fun, I guess. Like everyone gets to work in a group. Everyone's working, communicating with each other.
I love enterprise because it's teaching us how to be entrepreneurs, teaching us how to have businesses and make profit, and it's teaching us how to work in a team.
Allowing learners to be ambitious, capable learners allows them to learn throughout their lives.